Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes A-Class. The first thing we have to do is make sure Bluetooth's on. Once Bluetooth's on, we can go to telephone. As you can see there, it says ready for Bluetooth telephony, and telephone there, connect device and call list. That's on the bottom menu, so we need to pull this back towards us, highlight the bottom menu as you can see there, then connect device, select connect device. It's on search for phones at the top, so we'll click yes, search for phones. Yes, you've got to tell it twice, start search. So it's now looking for my phone. It's found my phone, so we turn the selector till it's onto my phone there, click yes or select or whatever you want to call it, and there you go. Does the passkey 690318 match? Well, it does, so click pair on there and select yes on the unit. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Mercedes Bluetooth is connected there.